guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. So many fun new things like this. Look, Create, also the name of the line, by Alli K Designs. That's the panel for you. Toss that up there. Look at all these beautiful grays and blacks and whites. It's delightful. And we have paired it right alongside her last line. We have some of that left called Hey Y'all. So if you need some cactus, some Texas fabric, some stars, you know, this is really the place to get it. Next up, we have Welcome to the Neighborwood, because they're birds. Okay, so you got some fun little birdhouses. I love this. It's just so fun and different and funky and all of that. So that's a fun little line. And then we have Dainty Daisy. It's a newer blender line from us. And you can see those are little tiny daisies in there. And they're from Riley Blake. So a nice selection of new blenders. And walk tall. There we go. We have a couple of patterns for you. The first one is a kitchen table quilting. It's the Freya quilt. These are very nice patterns. Love them. It is jelly roll fat eighth and fat eight friendly, and fat quarter friendly, and then Seaside by Camille Ross Kelly. So that's beautiful if you have any of her Nantucket Summer. This is Around the World. Now you're gonna be like, why'd you get this in 4 different colors? Well, let me show you, friends. 2 things. First, there is a delightful panel. You can get this, you can get that as your backing. Bam, you have a baby quilt. Also, we thought that it has like the little travel lines, but we thought that'd be so cute if you did like a little hand stitch, something like a pillow or anything, and these would be obviously some adorable backings for all of that. So that's Around the World. Then we have some pre-cuts for you. We have the Poinsettia Plaza pre-cuts. Where are those? I lost them. I lost them, friends. Here they are. Poinsettia Plaza, which we'd already gotten the bolts of this. So we have those now. Ooh, dropping things all over the place. Okay, and then we have, this is Corey Yoder's new line, Buttercup and Slate. We have the charms, we have layer cakes, we have the lovely fat quarter bundle. Yes, you want it. You know you do. We have jelly rolls somewhere here, up here. And then Christmas Stitch right down here. I'm going to show you this line in a minute. That is by Fig Tree & Co. I missed a couple of $2 patterns, friends. There is Pilaf, fat quarter friendly. And there is Cider Mill, also fat quarter friendly. Gotta love our $2 patterns, right? All right, then we're going to take a jump and we're going to go kid. It's called It's Elementary. Perfect time for that because everybody is back to school. You have all your fun little back to school items. I don't know about you, but I love back to school shopping. How cute are those? Like pencil bags or little like snack bags that you can make with like a little zippered pocket or so many fun things. Okay, next, lastly, I should really say, oh, do you want to show them the quilts? Look how cute these are. So this is made with Create by Alli K. This is Country Rose, the newest Lella Boutique line. We don't have the line in, but we have the pre-cuts of it. Lastly is Christmas Stitched by Fig Tree & Co. How fun is that? Those beautiful reds and greens. She did a Christmas line a few years ago, and it was stunning, and it flew out the door. So you should probably buy that pretty quickly. I'm guessing it's going to do the same thing. Our show, we don't have a show this weekend. It is a holiday. Well, Monday's a holiday. Labor Day. So no show this weekend. Mama Bear and I will be back though on the 11th at 3 p.m. You have to buy all the things so that we beat Caleb and Gramsci. Remember that. The girls should rule, friends. Otherwise, enjoy these last bit of summer days and happy quilting.